Did you know that 70% of people struggle with their tummy size? It's a staggering statistic that many of us can relate to. If you're one of those people, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive into the world of achieving a flat tummy quickly and effectively. I'm going to share with you 9 proven secrets that can help you reach your goals. These secrets are rooted in science and practical tips, ensuring that you have the knowledge and tools to succeed. Whether you've been battling belly fat for years or just want to tone up for an upcoming event, these strategies will set you on the right path. So, get comfortable, grab a notepad, and let's embark on this journey together. Remember, a flat tummy isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling confident, healthy, and empowered. Let's get started. Achieving a flat tummy isn't just about doing a few sit-ups and calling it a day. There are numerous challenges that many of us face on this journey. One of the most common hurdles is diet struggles. Despite our best intentions, it can be incredibly difficult to stick to a healthy eating plan, especially with the temptation of junk food everywhere. Another significant challenge is the lack of motivation. We all start with high energy and big goals, but maintaining that momentum can be tough. Life gets busy, stress takes over, and suddenly, our fitness goals take a back seat. But remember, every small step counts, and it's okay to have setbacks as long as you keep going. Then there's the issue of misinformation. The internet is flooded with quick fix solutions and fad diets that promise miraculous results, but often do more harm than good. It's crucial to distinguish between what's scientifically backed and what's just a marketing gimmick. Understanding these common challenges is the first step toward overcoming them. The first secret to achieving a flat tummy is understanding the role of nutrition. You've probably heard the saying, "Abs are made in the kitchen." This couldn't be more true. A balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates is essential. Focus on eating plenty of vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. One practical tip is to meal prep. By preparing your meals in advance, you can avoid the temptation of unhealthy snacks and fast food. It also helps you to control portion sizes and ensure you're getting all the nutrients your body needs. Another tip is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water aids digestion and can help reduce bloating, making your tummy appear flatter. Additionally, consider reducing your intake of processed foods and added sugars. These can contribute to weight gain and bloating, hindering your progress. By making mindful choices about what you eat, you're setting the foundation for a flatter tummy. The second secret is to incorporate cardiovascular exercises into your routine. Cardio is excellent for burning calories and reducing overall body fat, including belly fat. Activities like running, cycling, swimming, and even brisk walking can make a significant difference. Start by setting a realistic goal. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio each week. This can be broken down into manageable sessions, like 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week. The key is consistency. Even if you start with shorter sessions, gradually increase the duration and intensity as your fitness improves. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is another effective method. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest or low-intensity exercise. Studies have shown that HIIT can be particularly effective for burning belly fat. Remember, the best exercise is the one you enjoy and can stick with in the long term. Chapter 4. Strength training is the third secret. Building muscle helps to boost your metabolism, which means you burn more calories even at rest. Focus on compound exercises that target multiple muscle groups, such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. Incorporate core-specific exercises into your routine as well. Planks, Russian twists, and leg raises are excellent for strengthening your abdominal muscles. Not only will this help you achieve a flat tummy, but it will also improve your overall strength and stability. It's important to find a balance between cardio and strength training. While cardio helps to burn fat, strength training builds the muscle that gives your tummy a toned appearance. Aim to include strength training exercises at least 2 to 3 times a week. Chapter 5. The fourth secret is to manage stress levels. Stress can lead to weight gain, particularly around the midsection, due to the release of the hormone cortisol. Finding ways to relax and de-stress is crucial for both your mental and physical health. Consider incorporating mindfulness practices into your routine. Activities such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can help to reduce stress levels. Even taking a few minutes each day to focus on your breath can make a significant difference. Adequate sleep is also essential. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Poor sleep can disrupt your metabolism and increase cravings for unhealthy foods. By prioritizing rest and relaxation, you'll be better equipped to handle the challenges of achieving a flat tummy. Chapter 6. The fifth secret is to stay consistent. Consistency is the key to any successful fitness journey. It's important to create a routine that you can stick with in the long term. This means finding exercises and healthy foods that you enjoy. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Celebrate the small victories along the way, whether it's losing a few inches off your waist or being able to do more reps of an exercise. These milestones will keep you motivated and remind you that your efforts are paying off. Remember, it's not about being perfect. Everyone has off days. What matters is getting back on track and continuing to move forward. Consistency, more than anything else, will help you achieve the flat tummy you desire. Chapter 7. Secret 6. The sixth secret is understanding the importance of fiber. Dietary fiber is essential for a healthy digestive system and can help to reduce belly fat. Foods high in fiber, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the temptation to overeat. Soluble fiber, in particular, is beneficial for reducing belly fat. It forms a gel-like substance in the gut, slowing down digestion and absorption of nutrients. This helps to keep you feeling satisfied and can reduce the number of calories you absorb from food. Aim to incorporate a variety of fiber-rich foods into your diet. Start your day with a high-fiber breakfast, such as oatmeal with fruits and nuts. Include plenty of vegetables in your meals and opt for whole grains over refined grains. By boosting your fiber intake, you'll be supporting your journey to a flatter tummy. Chapter 8. Secret 7. The seventh secret is to stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for overall health and can aid in weight loss. Water helps to flush out toxins, reduce bloating, and keep your metabolism functioning properly. Make it a habit to drink water throughout the day. Carry a water bottle with you and set reminders if needed. Drinking a glass of water before meals can also help to control your appetite, making it easier to avoid overeating. In addition to water, herbal teas and water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelon can contribute to your hydration. Avoid sugary drinks and excessive alcohol, as these can contribute to weight gain and bloating. By staying hydrated, you're giving your body the tools it needs to function at its best. Chapter 9. Secret 8. The eighth secret is to incorporate probiotics into your diet. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut. A balanced gut microbiome can aid in digestion and reduce bloating, helping you achieve a flatter tummy. Foods rich in probiotics include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and other fermented foods. Including these in your diet can promote the growth of good bacteria in your gut. You can also consider taking a probiotic supplement if necessary. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being. It not only helps with digestion, but also supports your immune system and can improve your mood. By taking care of your gut health, you're taking a significant step toward achieving a flat tummy. Let's recap the 9 secrets to achieving the flat tummy you desire. We talked about the importance of nutrition, incorporating cardio and strength training, managing stress, staying consistent, boosting fiber intake, staying hydrated, and supporting gut health with probiotics. Remember, consistency is key. These strategies are proven to work, but they require dedication and perseverance. The journey to a flat tummy is not just about quick fixes. It's about making sustainable lifestyle changes. I encourage you to comment below on which secret you found most helpful. Your feedback is invaluable and can help others on their journey as well. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more health tips and strategies. Together we can achieve our fitness goals and live healthier, happier lives.